When someone is in one of our airplanes, the idea is that they feel like it's their airplane. And so we want a very clean, sleek, modern interior and exterior of the airplane, but it doesn't look like it's just ours. It could be yours as well. And so it's important to us that when someone, yes, they've chartered the airplane, but we want it to feel like theirs.
If you take a look at the industry out there, we have people that 15, 20, 25, 30 years. And they're specialized in the craft that they do. My personal expectation is that we have a customer that gets in that airplane and he sits down or she sits down and they say, wow, look at this. This is the way to fly.
That's a hugely important part of our business, because when someone buys an airplane with me, they fly on whatever airplane is in the fleet, so all of them looking the same is an important part of how we brand our business. There's very few companies in the country that have been able to pull that off. So much goes into making that happen. I'm super proud of the interior shop and all the technicians in there that make that happen.
Here we are in Kinston, North Carolina. Very little aviation per se like you would have in Texas or some of the other areas, but right now in my department, out of 14 people, 9 of those are local people training to become the professionals like all these others. You know, 33 years, I'm getting close to that time in my career, but I have made a promise to myself that this will be one of the most successful jobs in this industry that I've ever done.